Hello everyone, please welcome Peter Gay to the Jory Show. No, Peter Gay is sure that her ex-boyfriend Michael is the father of our 3-year-old daughter, Michael Nika. Oh, what a pretty baby. So 2 years after the birth of Michael Nika, Peter Gay says that when Michael began to accuse her of cheating and that her baby isn't his, Michael had this to say. Watch this.
Jory, I'm 2000% sure say me and I father that pitney there. Look on that pitney there and look on me. And not only that, the budget them tell me say Peter Gay been with every man in her scheme. She fuck tall man, she fuck short man, blacks, brown man, big, smoky, spooky, and the twin them. And she fuck Mr. Chin down the road. So me know if I fuck say I carry my baby that. When this show done, I want Peter Gay for stop tell lie upon me. And I want about the taxi fare what me spend for make sure go to the hospital for have that pitney there.
Lie, pure lie, them love tell upon me. The reason why I paid the love is because my great grandfather was Chinese. My pen explained that to him, said that's why the baby looks so. But every minute him keep on run off him out and chat. And I tell pure lie upon me. No matter who the man in the community mom sleep with, someone knows say I feel beating that.
Okay, everyone please welcome Michael.
So no one say, chat one no one chat, me know already.
It's nice to meet you, Michael. Yo, go on, Jory. Everything good? Oh, Michael, what are you saying is that baby looks nothing like you?
Jory, a blind man could have said that my pitney that. That pitney don't feel nothing like me. You just say I tried the man pitney that.
Baby now if you look like you. You don't know say 2 people make pitney. The pitney now if you look like you.
Baby no look like you and the baby no look like me. So who the bumbo clock the pitney look like?
Chinese people in my family, that's how the pitney looks so. Every minute you run off your mouth.
Well, at 20 pitney me have all of them look like me. That pitney they don't favor me.
Maxim, if him not feel like say I feel penny, why I'm still there my freaking yard and I'm out my forward?
Cause man don't bring him barrel and things there. So what make the sense me leave for him? I just no want mind your freaking pitney.
You can't even mind your blood clot self much this. You think you can't mind nobody with your peanut and bag juice money?
Alright, the results are in. In the case of 3-year-old Michael Nika, Michael, you are not the father.
Baby, you know your baby father.
Yeah.
You know your baby father. She know her baby father.
Yeah.
She know her baby father.
Yeah.
You know your baby father.
Yeah.
You know your baby father. Timely.
I'm giving birth to a life.
Baby.
Me have me husband and my wife. Why everybody asking me? Why do I have to have my son? Wonder if my career now go down. Tell them that I am safe and sanctified. Me run away the waste boy fight a real car. I'm giving birth to a life.
Baby. You some mad wine for Addy cause you know your baby daddy.
Yeah.